Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Gmail password desktop PC. Open your Gmail account. There, click on the profile and then open Manage your Google account. Here, you must go to the section Security. In the field How you sign into Google, you will click on the line Password. After that, enter and confirm your new Gmail password. Click on Change Password to complete this process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.